What is up? So today I'm headed back to Snowdaes in Lowell to try the Perfect Matcha and the Rainbow Mango Shaved Ice. So let's go. So this is the Perfect Matcha. Is matcha puffs, vanilla ice cream, almonds, powdered sugar, rainbow matcha, and condensed milk. They got it with the vanilla ice cream. Get out. The egg waffle is really crispy, soft, crunchy. Vanilla ice cream tastes kind of like gelato. Light, sweet. These almonds, the condensed milk. The mochi kind of reminds me of gummies. Nice and chewy. Has a hint of flavor. This is the mango rainbow, mango snow, rainbow jelly, strawberry lychee, shaved ice. So let's see. Really strong mango lychee flavor. Fresh fruits. Check it out. Nice and fresh. There's the jelly. It's right here. Check it out. Really soft, chewy, like gummies. Check it out. So that is a wrap for this video. The two new items that I tried from Snowdaes were really good, flavorful. All the textures went together. Not too sweet. My favorite one was definitely the rainbow mango. If you're near Lowell, give them a try. I'll see you guys next time.